Alright guys, so today welcome back again to in my YouTube channel Johan Sagala in the bodybuilding world. So this is not the bodybuilding news, but this is connect the comparison, okay, from the last Olympia weekend this year. I just wanted to make it comparison, okay, between Hunter Labrada and Nick Walker. So many people confused and so many people tension from these things because so much people have opinion Nick Walker is should have beat Hunter Labrada, okay, because Nick Walker is more conditioning or can like everything the reason, okay. So today I wanted to try to make it the comparison between the Hunter Labrada and Nick Walker, the younger upcoming builder, the young guns, okay. Let's take a comparison between Nick and Hunter. We see the front double bicep. Front double bicep, I think, is really looks more impressive. Nick is more conditioning. The quads it's Nick have is more detailed. Hunter Labrada midsection it's not really detailed than Nick Walker. Okay, Nick Walker have the midsection detail more than Hunter Labrada, and the conditioning absolutely okay. This is the prejudging. I think the biceps Nick Walker is really beat Hunter Labrada, but on the finals we see the final. The final is Nick Hunter Labrada is really improved. Okay, I think he's more conditioning and he's better than he was doing prejudging. Yeah, Nick Walker is still have more detail, okay, if we compare with Hunter Labrada. Sizing is concert, guys. Sizing is concert. But the bodybuilding is not about the size. It's still about the size and the conditioning and the detail. So, what I choose to pick front double biceps between the final and prejudging, night and day, I think the difference is the conditioning and the detail for Hunter and Nick. I still choose the Nick Walker for the conditioning, but for the size and symmetry, we look at the Hunter Labrada, but we don't know, right? We don't know what the judges look at in this point, okay? For me, I still choose the Nick Walker, maybe could beat Hunter Labrada in front double biceps. In front lat spread, this is for either two, gentlemen. The execution, the shot as far even hitting, because there was no shit. I think Nick Walker still have more conditioning. Hunter Labrada is win this shot because of the symmetry, okay. The front lat, look at the front lats, really looks more wide than Nick Walker, and that's what make Hunter Labrada the small loose waist, okay. For the front lats, Hunter Labrada beat Nick Walker. Size chest, I love the size of the Hunter legs, but the more conditioning is Nick Walker. The biceps is really look the same. The chest is really getting point the similar. The calf, you can see the calf of Nick Walker is really better conditioning, of course, because of the all of the veins that he have. Symmetry of the legs, I really choose the Hunter Labrada, because Nick Walker in the off season he have the big legs, but don't know if he coming for show, Nick Walker legs is really downsized, really looks more downsized. Yeah, from the tricep shots, side tricep shots, I love the way Hunter pose, and I think this is the beautiful. The triceps, I think I really choose Hunter Labrada for triceps shot, okay. Nick Walker have the good triceps, it's not bad. For the pose, I really choose the Hunter Labrada than Nick Walker in this pose. But as far for me, the conditioning, the shape wise, obviously Hunter Labrada, not many people in the IFBB take this man, okay. And go to the finals, it was close. The side chest development close, the tricep close, all around between, okay. Nick Walker is better at his calf than Hunter Labrada. Chest, the triceps, the abs development, the obliques, I think they're really good, okay. They both, it looks more impressive. Conditioning might be a little closer Nick Walker, okay. Man, Nick Walker is have more conditioning and detail than Hunter Labrada. Looks taller in the shot. I'm glad I had the side by each two sides. He bent at the knees. I guess Hunter more. Okay, so then Nick in the shot. Who's winning in the shot? Maybe Nick have a silhouette shape than Hunter. Okay, better condition glutes and hamstring, and this back double biceps in my opinion, for Nick Walker, his back is better, obviously, guys. Taking that away from Hunter Labrada. And Hunter Labrada is really have the good package and the thick lower lats. But Nick Walker have more detail than upper back, rhomboid, straps, etc. And look at the big biceps from then Hunter Labrada. Well, Hunter Labrada is also have the peak of the bicep when it comes to this pose, but not really so much peak like Nick Walker. Okay, so yeah, that's what I think, guys, from the pose to pose between Nick and Hunter Labrada. So what I think, it depends from the judges what he want to look like. Okay, what they really looking for. I think if they looking for symmetry, size, and all of the things, and not really looking the more conditioning, just enough for shape, they might be choose the Hunter. But for the conditioning, detail, not really symmetrical, they might be choose Nick Walker. The judges now is looking for more size and symmetry also, but the conditioning is one of the criteria that's not really going into the deep. Okay, that's what my opinion. So what's your opinion? Let's discussion together between comparison Nick Walker and Hunter Labrada. So I would like to looking forward what can we expect from Hunter Labrada and Nick Walker, because they both is younger and coming up bodybuilder, the young guns who really takes the best place higher right now, the younger bodybuilder who really best in this time. So I would like to looking forward for your opinion and what you think about between these both guys. So thank you so much, guys. I'm your host Joan Sagala signing out. May God bless you all.